Have you been wondering how you can run profitable ads for your online business, passive income, lead generation, growing your community, even filling up challenges and webinars? Let's talk about paid advertising and how you can use it to amplify your results to get more sales and more clients. In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to break down my easy to follow strategies that will help you to start running ads and also help you on your journey to success of using Facebook ads and Instagram ads. Now, if you don't know who I am, I'm Alexandra Ramirez, a Facebook ads coach and sales funnel expert. I love helping online entrepreneurs just like you automate their business. Now, before we get started, make sure to click that subscribe button for more videos. And of course, don't forget to click that bell to get notifications for when my videos do come out. Let's dive right in with the first strategy, the video ad funnel. This is where you push videos out to your audience that will warm up a cold audience before you even put out your offer. Now, think about this as a consumer. Have you ever scrolled through your news feed on Facebook or on Instagram and all of a sudden you see an opt-in or a sales type of ad towards a brand that you had no idea about? Would you buy from that person? Would you opt in right away? Maybe. It's a big, big maybe. So if you want to warm up your audience, you can use videos towards a cold audience. Then you can retarget the people who even watch those videos towards maybe them booking a sales call or even an opt-in, or get them geared up for maybe your next launch. All right, here I am in my ads manager, and I wanted to quickly show you guys on how to create the video ad funnel. And I already had this set up a little bit for you, and so I just wanted to kind of overview what that looks like. So as you can see, I have my objective set for video views. Budget, really simple, $10 a day, just so I can start building that audience. And then the audience I have it set up to is a lookalike audience. And I can do that off of right here. It's off of my email list. And then I have the video number 1. I usually do about 3 videos for the video ad funnel so I can start building that audience. And as you can see, I have a quick little video in here, and all it is educational, and it's showing people how to make successful ads, for example. And you're just using these videos to basically warm up an audience before you even move them onto, an opt-in, or pushing them to a sales page, or to get them to book a call. And the greatest thing about it is you actually go to your audiences here. Once you're in the audiences, then you're going to actually push it towards, the videos, so that you can actually retarget the people who are watching those videos, so that you can get them onto, anybody who watches those videos within 3 seconds or more, or 10 seconds or more, or whatever you want to put it towards. Then you're going to push those, retarget ads to the people who watch those videos. So it's really super simple to create this. All right, so this is by far my favorite strategy, and that's Instagram ads. And it's actually the most unused placement, or it's just used incorrectly. If you want to get low cost, high quality leads through ads, I recommend to use Instagram story placement. Now, one option is to have your regular Facebook ad running with multiple placements. This option allows you to customize the graphic that you use for the ad towards the Instagram story placement. Another option is to have a completely separate Instagram story ad video. To create an Instagram story ad video, pull up your phone. I recommend to get on your phone, pull up the Instagram stories, record a 15-second video explaining your call to action. Maybe it's to book a call or whatever. And be sure to just put text in the video for the people who have their stories muted. Okay, so this is the next step of the Instagram ads. And to do this is what I want you to do. You're gonna go to the campaign, do whatever you need to do for that. Normally I do like conversions. And then you wanna go down to the ad set. And this is where you're going to actually do the Instagram story ads. And like I said before, there's 2 different ways that you can do it. So the first option is and I usually uncheck everything, guys, besides Facebook newsfeed, Instagram feed, and Instagram stories. Now, this is the first option that I was talking about. And all you have to do from here, so let's go ahead and go to the next one, and we'll click continue. And then once I'm here, then I'm going to add the pictures, the images that I want. So add image, and let's see here. So this is my square one, for example. And then if I want to make sure that I have an Instagram story placement one, I'm going to select a placement to customize and then click Instagram stories. And then I'm going to change the image. And as you can see, I already have one that's really looking towards the Instagram story in particular. And so that way, because if I only had it towards this, look how ugly this looks. It does not look good. And also there'll be a bunch of like text down here, whatever the copy I have on it, versus if I have the copy already on the graphic and it looks like an Instagram story, that's the best way to go. The other option that I talked about was if you were to want to do an Instagram story video separate, then what you would do is go back to the ad set, go back to placements, so scroll all the way down and uncheck these and keep Instagram stories, okay? And then you want to go back to the identity or what the ad in particular, and then you clear that, add media, add video. I think I have one. I think I have one somewhere. But anyways, so you're gonna put it inside of here, click continue, and it'll automatically pop up. So that's it. Are you ready to book more sales calls? Let's chat about book a call ads, which is another one of my favorites. If you want to book more sales calls, ads are a great way to do that, but you have to do it strategically. You can't just tell people to book a call and then run away to hope that a client books a call with you on your ads. Your call has to be a pitch. For example, if you're a health coach, then maybe your ad could talk about if they book a call with you, they'll get a meal plan laid out for them, specifically customized to them. I know some of you are saying, but Alex, you're giving too much away. Why would they hire me if I gave them that? Well, because your support is what gets people sold. They most likely won't stay consistent with that meal plan unless they hired you. Okay, so now we're going to talk about how to put together a book a call ad. And there's many different ways that you can do this, but my way of doing it is I usually click conversions, and then I'll usually name it and all that kind of stuff, but I wanted to move through this fast. And so choose an event. I normally either do purchase if you have Acuity, or if you have Calendar, you just make sure that you have your Pixel ID and your coding for schedule in there. So I'll put your schedule because I have Calendly. And then I usually do it towards a warm audience. So I can choose anywhere from the people who watch my videos, or the people who are on my email list, or people who are on my Facebook page, or people who are on my Instagram, for example. I could do so many different types of things. I would choose not to use a lookalike, try not to use a cold audience whatsoever, because those people have no clue who you are. They're not going to care about booking a call with you. Whereas warm people, they're interested. So you want to put that in, and then you want to click manual replacements like we did last time. And just like the last time before, we're going to do Facebook newsfeed, Instagram feed. We can even choose Instagram stories if we wanted to, but I normally don't, especially for booking a call. Just for some reason, people don't book calls off of Instagram stories. So I usually just do Facebook newsfeed, Instagram feed, and that's it. So I'm going to click continue. And then in here, what you want to do is you're going to add in your image for booking a call, put your text for, why, they should book a call, the pitch to booking a call, and then push them towards your URL for your booking page, and then click confirm, and you are all set to go. Is passive income in your near future? Now, if you love passive income as much as I do, using ads can help you get more people. There are so many ways to make passive income through ads. For example, maybe a no-brainer $9 offer towards a cold audience that you can upsell other offers to, or you can even get people through a small opt-in like a PDF download and then have a tripwire for $9 and then another upsell. Another way is if you have a membership that you want to get people into, and you could do that with the same strategies as before, or you can offer a 7-day free trial for your membership. It's time to use ads strategically, and if you want to get my Facebook Ads Quick Start Guide, which is packed with video training, a step-by-step guide on starting your first profitable ad, plus it has amazing swipe files and templates for copy and graphics. I'll throw it in the description below, so make sure to grab that. If this video helped you gain some confidence on ads, now you're ready to get going with the ads. I want you to put a like on this video, and as always, good luck on your journey to success, and I want to see you guys on the next video.